guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shandizo and this is my friend Alicia.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a motivational talk. We're just going to have a discussion with y'all. I know I have been missing for
A
while. I didn't have a phone. My phone stopped working. I was having some issues, so I didn't vlog, but I'm back. And before we get into this video, I'm going to show you a funny thing that happened at work yesterday with my co-workers. Now you're going to see the crazy people I hang around with, including Alicia.
We're not crazy, we're just creative.
Guys, she was the one who went for the stage.
We're creative, okay?
So I'm going to roll that and then we get into the discussion. But before I do, please remember to like, share, comment, tell your friend to tell a friend, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the bag that I take to work has popped. Let me turn around the camera. So my friend, see the strap? That's Roxine, guys. That's my friend. Aww. So my bag popped, and she decided. Popped. She decided to fix it the Jamaican way. So let's see.
Yeah, I was going to see me. When I am the England thread. So I have spongy. So you hold it like this. Wait, fix up right here so neat up. I can use the Chinese things in the stay down coronavirus and we'll stay down for Chinese. So you hold it like this. You bend like this. Then you wrap it round and around and round.
No, my dad can see it, man.
You know my Facebook, you know? Come
No.
on, me lookable.
No, it won't be going on Facebook. It will be going on YouTube.
Right, zoom out my face. See it? And then just banana glue. Or just give me a stapler.
You have some glue, but no stapler. And Alice, you want to go borrow a stapler?
Go borrow a stapler and come back to my place. You don't reach yet a video. Walks to she. Yes, guys. So in the meantime, I'm going to use this ID clipper to hold it up. Because I just walk out here, there's a rain and fall on too. See it? See it? And it all good too, you know? It all good too. See it? Bag is all fixed. Oh, I'm gonna get the stapler, guys. So.
These are the people I associate myself with on a daily basis.
Yeah, clipping and bare thing. See?
Put in one more.
Put in one more.
Double it.
Double stitch. So this is the England thread. And this now you call it like a little older clipper. It's like if the stapler shimmer on the road, you have the clipper. So just bend it right here. So you see me? Use all the things that you have. Don't lose it, reuse it.
Amen, sister.
So, yeah, see it? Don't lose it, reuse it. I got like a rocket in Paw Patrol. Yes. Bag look good. Bye. Thanks for watching my DIY. Do it yourself. Yeah.
Roxine, show them your fork, mama.
This is Jamaican fork.
Mm-hmm.
So we're trying to be like Chinese today because Chinese food so we make it as a chopstick. Yeah? Chopstick. Hold it like this. And hold it over the rice. And Chinese.
Oh my lord.
Take time.
Oh my gosh.
Take time.
Jamaican Chinese, but not Jamaican Chinese though. That's that medium now.
And this is how you should actually eat. Because we're Jamaicans. There you go. You put the chicken in the rice and you use a fork.
This is to be a fact we eating a spoon for picture.
There you go.
I mean, I can't Jamaican.
Hey Dizzlers, good morning. I think it's afternoon. I have no idea the time of day it is, but let's talk. Hi! We're going to talk today. What do you think about persons in positions, high positions, and they look down on persons that are in lower positions?
Well, I just watched a movie about that, and it could change a person's life. I wouldn't say it's karma, but it's a life journey's lesson.
What goes around comes around.
Yeah.
Alright, so what brought this to my attention? Don't mind my hair, you know. I didn't tie it down last night, which I should have. I was high last night, just like I'm high now. When I said high, I mean my medication, which obviously all of that. Alright, let's get serious. I've realized that you have some persons, because they have positions or they are in a better position than other people, they tend to look down. I think that the person is less than they are. But what we need to remember at all times, when you die and I die, we're going in the same type of box. The grave, the hole is going to be 6 feet, right? 6 feet. It's not yours. It's not going to be 7, and mine is going to be 6 because I'm poor or because you have more money than I do. Yes, you worked, you made sure you go to school, you went to school and you got the education, and now you're at a certain level. It doesn't mean that you're supposed to think of the person that is outside washing the car as any less than they are or any less than you. It's because you were given certain opportunities that person weren't given. Some of us, some people were born into a wealthy family, while some a poor family. And I think respect is supposed to be given to those who were born in a poor family, whether they reached somewhere or not. But the mere fact that they know how to survive despite everything, they go on. And if you ask me, if you have two persons at the same level, no matter the same level of wealth, right? One person A was born into a rich family, it was given to them, versus person B who was born into a poor family and they had to work to get there. My respect would more go to person B, because they work to be where they are. They deserve to be where they are more. And working up the ladder, you learn certain stuff. You learn respect. You learn so much more than if you had been given. Just like the movie we watched, he had the riches and everything, but he didn't appreciate it until he started working for just a check. He appreciated it so much. So that's what I think.
Oh, by the way, the movie name Overboard. You can go ahead and watch it. It's really nice. It's funny. I won't tell you parts of the movie, but it's not really, you know.
I'm glad you gave them the name, because I was watching it and I didn't know the name.
That
I was
very
just
bad. It's funny. If it made her laugh, I guarantee it would make you laugh.
Not that difficult.
Yes, you are.
Sometimes. And I'm in pain, so yeah.
Especially when she's grumpy.
have a reason to be grumpy. I am in pain.
Yeah, but I make you laugh several times a day. No, you cannot abuse me today.
On camera.
Yes, you're on camera as well. But I might have given a bit of a trouble, but it was good kind of trouble. And
She's always giving trouble, so I always want to smack her. I don't smack her, she's the smacker. She likes to, smack.
I'm too innocent for that, don't I? I agree with you guys.
You see? You guys finally got her to talk. The last video she was in, she wasn't really talking. She was being the shy girl.
But I am shy.
Comment down below. Do you believe that she is shy? Because I really don't. Alright, let's get back to the point. Reason why I felt like talking about this situation, this specific topic, is because I've encountered persons. Alright, let's say like in an organization you have different levels of workers. I've noticed that if you have a manager and you have the maintenance person, some organizations, they tend to treat the managers and persons with high job description or authority with more respect. Like, yes, good morning, how are you? Or they give them bonus.
They tend to be friendly.
Yeah.
Friendly towards person who has authority, who can give them bonus checks, who can, lift their career.
Yeah.
But when it comes to others, like persons that are just coming in for the first time, like your colleagues in the same level of work, you give them bad treatment for some reason. I don't think that's right, though. Or should I say, I know that's not right, because we're all equals. We're all human.
Equals, exactly.
And if at the end of the day we're all going one place, or yes, we're all going one place. We're all ashes. We're all dust.
We're just flesh and blood like anybody else. And let's take it outside of the organization, right? Let's take it in society. You have uptown and downtown, right? And the uptown, some persons are just snobs, and they talk about persons downtown with so much disrespect or distaste. But let's look at it. You were raised downtown. Your parents did the best they could do for you. You have a 9 to 5. You have children, and you're going to school. You are stressed, and you cannot make your life any better than it already is. But yet still you are trying. You are. I don't know. I respect those persons. They are going through so much, but yet still they keep going. The strength they have to keep going.
Yes.
Over somebody that was born with a gold spoon in their mouth. They don't know. Most of them. And I'm not going to say most because I don't know. But you have some persons, they are the uptown. They don't do their laundry. They don't cook. They don't do that. And if they were given the chance to, they don't know how to because they weren't taught.
It would have to be taught from scratch, like a new person coming into work. So basically, it's just not in their nature to start something that they don't know how to do.
Yeah. I think we should try. It doesn't matter whether you're uptown or downtown.
Whether you're rich or poor.
Whether you're a manager or you're in the maintenance department, I think you should start treating people. We should try and look at people as our equals. You have blood, I have blood. If I hit you, you're going to hurt. If you hit me, I'm going to hurt.
Like, no.
Uh,
We're just equal.
didn't y'all hear when I said that I'm in pain?
I
said
didn't
it right.
slap her hard, okay?
I
It was just a mere love tap. See? Love tap.
This is what
The abuse. Shanique, you're on camera.
y'all didn't see that, did you?
Oh, that was a lightning.
That was a lightning. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that was a lightning.
Alright, yeah, but I think we should all just start. Maybe that's the problem in our society, We have too much
Egos, pride getting in the way.
yeah.
We just need to just lay them down, because at the end of the day, you can't carry anything in your grave with you. You can't carry money. You can't carry silver spoon.
And even the flesh that you're taking in the grave with you won't last in the grave with you. Even that, because you're going to, yeah, so I'm not better than her, she's not better than me, we're equals. If I can assist, I will assist. If she can assist, she will assist. We are just living life. We're both living life, and it will be so much easier. It would be so much easier if you give a lending hand and she does the same. Some people, you see the pedestrians walking and you're driving and you see there's a puddle
Of
and
water, you just drive and splash the person. That is not nice.
so what if tomorrow you're supposed to lose everything and you walk and somebody splash you? You wouldn't like it. And what goes around always comes back around. You might be up today and down tomorrow. You'll never know. So be careful how you treat people on your way up.
Yep.
Careful how you treat people on your way up.
And don't drag anybody down.
Just to go up.
It's not a pretty sight, because the more you go up the ladder, it's the harder the fall will be. I've been reading a couple of books and I've learned a very special lesson. Even though you see greed taking over inside, try not to let greed and pride get in the way of your achievements and stuff like that. If you're going up the ladder, encourage others to go up the ladder the clean way and not the dirty way. Because when you're dirty things get exposed. It's not a good sight to the public, or
What's done in the dark will come to light.
exactly. So when you're going up the ladder, carry someone with you. Don't bring them down because you want to be in their place. Just go up along. As I'm involved in a club, we all say we inspire each other to grow in life.
Yeah, that's
Just grow in life. You don't have to compete, even though sometimes competing is very good, but when you compete and push each other down, it discourage others.
Yeah. Listen, in this life we all have our own stuff dealing with. We all are running our own race. So you're competing with me, you're trying to run with me, but guess what? Your race is different than mine. And if you just stop just to realize that your race is different than mine, then you would reach so much further in your running. Because you're so busy looking at me, like trying to stop me, trying to hinder me, trying to make sure that I don't cross the line.
Trying to make sure that you're better than me.
You are slowing down in your race because you are too busy paying attention to me instead of running your race. And that is what is happening today. You're in a position, I'm in a position, I'm doing my work, you're doing your work, but you're too busy trying to spread gossips about me or rumors about me. You're not paying attention to your work. you're not really paying attention to your, maybe you're having problems in your specific area that I can assist with, but because you're so busy trying to tear someone down, you won't get the assistance. You get me?
Yes.
It's just, it's not, this life, it's not easy, and I have stuff dealing with, you have stuff dealing with, so why we just don't come together and work on what we have dealing with instead of fighting, instead of all these things. It's just making it harder. So that's what we just wanted to shed a little light out there, a little positive vibe out there, because I'm seeing the internet and I'm seeing all these negative things that are going around. Well, let's, as of today, as of now, let's just try and help each other. Let's just see each other as our equals.
Exactly.
And just do it. Let's do it for a week and see how we feel. See,
It makes a great difference.
it will make so much more of a difference.
You could even teach the younger ones that is looking. You may not realize that they are watching you. Babies watch and they listen, even though they don't look like they're listening or watching, but they are. So if you start making a difference and they are watching you, they will adapt to that difference.
Yeah, the next generation that is coming will be so much more greater than the one that we have today. Because the generation that is here today, they have been absorbing all the negativities and stuff. So that's why, and people keep coming up complaining about today's youth, but it's what you guys put into them. It is what was put into them. You can't blame them. You cannot expect somebody to do right if all they know is wrong, if all they were taught
Was wrong.
was wrong. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am Shandiza and this is my friend Alicia, and we say bye for now. Please remember to like, share, comment, tell your friend to tell a friend so I can get more subscribers, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.
And if you see her on the road, please buy her chocolates. Like really buy her chocolates. They're delicious, no lie.
I said
Especially the
Hershey's.
silver one. But yeah.
Bye guys.